Okay, so hello everybody. Nice to see you in class. Okay. So Peter, Mary. Okay, Mary, very good. How about the others? Please change your name. Please change your name here in VooV. Can you change your name to An? The number also I cannot read. Hello, Miss Mai. Can you please help me tell them to change to their names? English name. Thank you.
You're welcome. I forgot to tell them first. Các bạn ơi, các bạn chuyển cái tên của các bạn thành tên tiếng Anh giúp cô với. Bởi vì các bạn thầy không có đọc được tiếng Việt ấy. Chuyển tên của bạn thành tên tiếng Anh giùm cô nhé. Okay, teacher Evan. You can name them, right?
I can give them names.
Yes.
Okay.
Change by yourself. You can change by yourself. It's okay.
Yes, it's okay. Okay, I'll give them names. I thought they have English names already.
Yes. Bây giờ
Okay,
các bạn
to
ơi,
An.
không cần đâu. Thầy sẽ sửa tay cho các bạn nhé.
Okay, so I will call to An as Brian. Okay, Brian. Okay. So you are Brian. And then the number. Okay, 150486. You are. Okay, your name is May. Your name is. Okay, I will call you Lisa. Okay, Lisa. So your name is Lisa, and then Tuan An is Brian. Then we have Peter. Okay. So Tuan An, your name is Brian. Brian. Okay, here your name is. Okay, you are Lisa. Okay, then we have Peter. We have May. Okay, so we are now ready. All right, so this time, let us now go to our lesson. So before we start, everybody, I want you to look at the screen. Okay? All right, so I want you to look at the screen. So here, okay, how do you feel today? Okay, so let us learn. Okay, how do you feel today? So everybody, Mary. Okay, Mary, Lisa, Peter, Brian. So you are going to say, I am today. I am blank today. So how do you feel today? Are you happy? Are you sad? Are you surprised? Are you excited? Are you angry? Or are you tired? Okay. All right. So I will ask Mary. Okay, Mary first. Mary, I am.
happy.
Okay, Mary, can you say it? Mary, how do you feel today? I am. Mary, how do you say it? I am happy. Are you happy? I am.
Happy. Happy.
I am happy. Okay, Mary. I am happy
Happy.
today. Okay, can you follow teacher? Follow teacher Mary. I am happy today. Okay, one more time. I am happy today.
I am
I am happy today.
happy.
Okay, all right, that's good, Mary. So you are happy. Okay, let's have Lisa.
Happy
Lisa, Lisa, how do you feel today? Lisa, I
I
am
am happy. I am happy today.
today. Okay, very good, Lisa. One more time, Lisa. Okay,
Today.
one more time, Lisa. I am
I,
happy today.
I am happy today.
Okay, I am happy today. All right, very good, Lisa. So you are happy. How about Peter? Peter, how do you feel today? Peter, how do you feel today, Peter?
I am happy today.
Okay, I am happy today. All right, so you are happy. Okay, very good, Peter. Let's have Brian. Okay, Brian, how do you feel today? I
I
am
am I am happy today. I am happy
okay.
today.
Again, Brian. Okay, Peter, keep quiet. Okay, Brian is answering. I am.
Happy today.
Okay, say it
Happy
again.
today.
Okay, one more time, Brian. You say, I am.
I
I.
am happy today.
Okay, I am happy today. All right, very good. So you are happy. Okay, so everybody is happy. That's good. So now we are going to start our lesson. Okay, so we are going to start. Give me a second. Okay, let me share our lesson for today. Okay, so everybody, okay, can you see teacher screen? All right, so everybody, let's look at this. Okay, so everybody, welcome to, okay, starters. Everybody, welcome to starters. So Brian, Mary, Peter, May, and Lisa. So welcome to starters. Okay, so welcome to starters, everybody. Now, let's start our lesson. Okay, are you happy? Yes. Okay, so Mary, Lisa, Peter, Brian. Okay, so you are in starters. Okay, let's start our lesson. Okay, so I want you to look at this picture. Everybody, okay, Mary, Lisa, Peter, listen to teacher. Okay, listen to teacher Peter. Okay, Peter, Brian. Okay, listen. Okay, look at the picture. Okay, let us look at first. Okay, what is this? Everybody, Brian, Peter, Lisa, Mary. What is this? Hmm? What's this? What's this? Okay, let's have Mary. Mary, what's this? Mary, what is this, Mary? This one. What's this? What's this? What's this? Everybody, look at the picture. What's this? This is a...
What bag?
Okay, how do you say that? Can you follow teacher? This is a...
What
This
bag?
is a...
What bag?
This is an arm chair. Okay, everybody say, you follow teacher. This is an armchair. Okay, Lisa, Mary, Peter, Brian. Okay, can you say, this is an armchair?
This
This is
is
an armchair.
an
Okay, follow teacher, follow, speak. Okay, I want you to speak. Follow teacher, follow. This is an armchair. This is an armchair.
little.
Okay, everybody follow teacher. This is an armchair. Okay, can you follow? This is an armchair. This This is an armchair. This is an armchair.
This is an
Armchair.
armchair.
This is an armchair.
It is an armchair.
Okay, can you follow? Let's practice. Everybody open your mouth. Okay? Everybody open your mouth. Okay? This is an armchair.
This is an armchair.
Okay, one more time. Let's practice. Mary, follow teacher. This is an armchair. Okay, follow Mary. This. Mary, no sound. I cannot hear you. This is an armchair. Okay, again, Mary, how do you say that? This is an armchair. Okay, follow teacher. This is... Okay, let me write that. This is an armchair. Okay, Mary. Okay, Mary will read. Mary, let's practice. Okay, open your mouth. Okay, open your mouth. Follow teacher. This is an armchair. Okay, Mary, no sound. I cannot hear you. Okay, let's have Lisa. Okay, Lisa. Okay, Lisa, let's practice. Follow teacher. This
This is
is an armchair.
archer.
Okay, so that's Lisa. Very good. How about Peter? Peter, follow teacher. How do you say it? This,
This
this
is
is
a
an
officer.
armchair.
Archer.
Armchair. Okay, so Peter, one more time. This is an armchair. Okay, so that's good. Okay, very good, Peter. Let's have Brian. Brian, let's read. Okay, follow teacher. This.
This is a officer.
Okay, very good, Brian. This is an armchair. Okay, good job. Okay, very good. Again, everybody listen. This is an armchair.
This is an officer.
Okay, very good. Now let's continue. Okay. Or we can also say it's an armchair. Okay, everybody, let's read. It's an armchair. It's an armchair. It's an armchair. It's an armchair. Okay. Okay, everybody, let's have Mary. Mary, can you please read? Okay, please read Mary. It's an armchair.
This is an officer.
Okay, very good. Next, Lisa. Lisa, it's an armchair.
It's an armchair.
Okay, very good. Next, Peter, it's an armchair.
It's an armchair.
Okay, very good. Next, Brian. Brian, it's an armchair.
It's an armchair.
Okay, Brian. Brian,
This is armchair.
okay, can you say it again, Brian? Oh, Brian, I cannot hear. No sound. Brian, Brian. Hello, Brian. Hello, Brian. No sound. I cannot hear you, Brian. Hello, Brian.
Bye-bye.
Okay, Brian is not here. I cannot hear you, Brian. Okay, so everybody, let's continue. Okay, let's go to the next. Okay, let's go to the next. Okay, what's this? Everybody, what's this? Okay, everybody, what's this? What's this? Okay, everybody say, it's
This
a fireplace. It's a fireplace.
fireplace.
Okay, can you follow teacher? It's a fireplace. It's a fireplace.
It's a fireplace. It's
It's a fireplace. Fireplace.
Please.
Okay, again, it's a fireplace. Fireplace.
Right. Right.
Okay, one more time. Let's practice. So how do you say that? It's a fireplace. It's a fireplace. Okay, let's start with Mary. Mary. Okay, follow teacher. It's a fireplace. It's a fireplace. Okay, it's a fireplace. Okay, next. Let's have Lisa. Can you follow teacher? It's a fireplace.
It's a variety.
Okay, next. Let's have Brian. Okay, Brian, can you follow teacher? It's a fireplace. Oh, I cannot hear you, Brian. No sound. Hello, Brian. Hello, Brian. I cannot hear you. Hello. Tuan. Tuan. I cannot hear you. No sound. Tuan. Okay, let's have Peter. Peter. Okay, follow teacher Peter. It's
It's
a fireplace.
a fireplace.
It's a fireplace.
It's a fireplace.
Okay, all right, that's good. Okay, how about Brian? Brian, how do you say that? Okay, can you follow teacher Brian? It's a fireplace. It's a fireplace. Okay. All right. So everybody, how do we say that? What's this? What's this? It's a fireplace. It's a fireplace. Okay. Okay. So everybody, let's go now to the next. Okay. What's this? Okay. Look at the picture. What's this? Okay. This one. What's this? What's this? What's this? Okay. What's this? Okay, everybody say it's a mat. It's
It's
a
a
mat.
mat.
It's
It's
a
a
mat.
mat.
It's a mat.
It's a mat.
Okay, it's a mat. Okay, let's start with Mary. Can you follow Mary? What's this?
It's a mat.
Okay. Next, Mary. Okay, let's one more time, Mary. What's this? It's a mat.
It's a mat.
Okay, very good. Let's have Peter. Peter, what's this?
What? It is a mat. It is a mat.
Okay, it's a mat.
It's a mat.
Okay,
It's a mat.
next. Okay, let's have Lisa. Lisa, what's this? Lisa,
It's a
what's
mat.
this?
It's a mat.
Okay, very good, Lisa. It's a mat. Okay, let's have Brian. Brian, what's this?
It's a mat.
Okay, it's a mat. Very good. Everybody say it's a mat.
It's
It's
a
a
mat.
mat. Okay, good job, everybody. Mary, Peter, Lisa, Brian. Good job. Okay. Next, let's go to the next picture. Okay, let's go to the next. How many how many how many red chairs? How many red armchairs are there? How many red armchairs are there? So when you say how many? Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. How many? How many red armchairs? Okay, how many red armchairs? 4. Are you sure 4? Okay, let's count. 1, 2, 3. How many red armchairs? 3. Okay, but let's answer. There are 3. There are 3. Okay, there are 3. Okay, there are 3. Okay, let's practice one more time. Okay, let's practice one more time. Let's have Mary. Mary, how many red armchairs are there? How many red armchairs are there, Mary? There are? Okay, there are 3. Okay, Mary, there's no sound. Your microphone has no sound. Mary, your microphone has no sound. I cannot hear your voice. Okay, Mary? So please fix your microphone. Okay, let's have Peter. Peter, how many red armchairs are there? Okay, very good, Peter. Okay, Lisa. Lisa, how many red armchairs are there?
There are 3.
Okay, very good. There are 3. How about Brian? Brian, how many red armchairs are there?
There are 3.
Okay, there are 3. Okay, good job, everybody. Okay, now let's move to the next. Okay, this one. What is the boy doing? Okay, look at the boy. What is the boy doing in the picture? What is the boy doing? The boy is? Okay, let's say he's drawing a picture. Is drawing a picture. Okay, what is the boy doing? He's drawing a picture. Okay, let's start with Mary. What is the boy doing, Mary? He's drawing a picture. Okay, how do we say that? How do we say this? You say drawing. Drawing. He's drawing a picture. He's drawing a picture. Okay, one more time. Okay, he's drawing a picture. Okay, one more time, Mary. What is the boy doing? Okay, he's drawing a picture. Very good. How about Peter? Peter, what is the boy doing?
He
Peter,
he
he's
is drawing.
Drawing. Drawing a picture. Drawing. Drawing. A picture.
Drawing.
A picture.
Drawing.
Okay, one more time, Peter. One more time. What is the boy doing?
Drawing.
Peter. What is the boy doing? He's drawing a picture. Hello, Peter. Okay, listen to teacher, Peter. Listen to teacher. Okay. What is the boy doing? Hello, Peter. Peter. Hello, Peter. Peter. Okay, what is the boy doing? What is the boy doing? He's drawing. He's drawing a picture. Okay, let's have Lisa. Lisa, what is the boy doing?
This drawing a picture.
Okay, he's drawing a picture. Very good. How about Brian? Brian, what is the boy doing? Brian, what is the boy doing?
Writing a picture.
He's drawing.
It's drawing a picture.
Brian, you follow teacher. You say his, his drawing a picture. His drawing a picture.
It's drawing a picture.
Okay, so everybody, when we say his, he is drawing a picture. Okay, everybody, where's your camera? Open your camera, open your video. Okay, everybody, Lisa, Peter, Brian, please open your video. Okay? Please open your video. Okay? Open your video. Okay, everybody, let's repeat. Everybody, what is the boy doing? Okay, everybody say, he's drawing a picture. He's drawing a picture. Okay, so that's it. He's drawing a picture. Okay, what is the girl doing? What is the girl doing? She's playing with the toy car. Okay, everybody say, she's playing with the toy car. Okay, follow teacher. She's playing with the toy car. Okay, everybody say, she's playing with the toy car. Okay, can you follow teacher? Okay, let's start with Mary. Mary, can you say it? What is the girl doing?
The car.
She's playing with the toy car. Okay. She's playing with the toy car. Okay, how do you say that? She's playing with the toy car. Okay, let's have Lisa. Lisa, please follow teacher. She's playing with the toy car. Okay, can you say it? She's
She playing with the toy car.
okay, can you say it again? She's playing
Cái gì nữa nữa? Vì mấy giờ mà đâu?
She's playing Lisa, Lisa. One more time. She's playing
She playing
okay, can you say it again? She's playing with the toy car. Okay. Let's have Peter. Peter, what is the girl doing? She's
playing
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 with the toy car.
with toy eye.
Okay, can you say it again? She's playing with. Okay, follow teacher. With, with the toy car. Okay, one more time, Peter. One more time. She's playing with the toy car. Okay. All right, let's have Brian. Brian, what is the girl doing? She's Brian. She's she's playing with the toy car. Okay, one more time, Brian. She's she's playing with the toy car. Okay, can you say it again? She's okay. Hello, Brian. Okay, follow teacher. She's
She is riding a whistle.
okay. One more time. She is
She she is flying with she is playing it
mm,
con.
okay. All right. Okay, one more time, Brian. Let's practice. What is the girl doing? She's playing with the toy car. Okay, one more time. She's playing with the toy car. Okay, one more time, Brian. She is
She is playing with She is
With the toy car.
flying with shuttle car.
Okay, so she is playing with the toy car. Okay, everybody, what is the girl doing? Mary, Lisa, Peter, Brian. Let's say, what is the girl doing? She is playing with the toy car. With the toy car. Okay, so that's it, everybody. This time, let's go to the next. Okay, where's the boy? Where's the boy? Where's the boy? Okay, where is the boy? Okay, let's answer. He's sitting on a red armchair. He's sitting on a red armchair. Okay, everybody, you listen, you follow the teacher. Follow the teacher. Listen to teacher, follow teacher. Okay? He's 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 sitting on on a a red 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 armchair. Armchair. Okay, one more time. Let's practice. He's sitting on a red armchair.
Thích chưa? Rồi, thích chưa? Làm xong rồi.
Yes, again, listen to teacher. Okay, follow. Okay, here. He's sitting on a red armchair. Okay, let's answer. Let's practice to speak, okay? Let's start with Mary. Mary, where's the boy?
He's sitting on
Okay, there you go, Mary. But I cannot hear your
He's
sound.
sitting
Mary, no
on a red
sound. Okay, you don't have sound. Your microphone, Mary, is not clear. Okay, let's have Lisa. Lisa, where's the boy?
He's sitting on a red armchair.
Okay, very good, Lisa. Okay, how about Peter? Peter, where's the boy?
He sitting on a red armchair.
Okay, again, Peter. Again, Peter, one more time. Let's practice. Again, where's the boy? He's sitting on a red armchair. Okay, one more time, Peter. One
He
more
is sitting
time.
on the red
Okay, Peter.
It's sitting one red And then
Okay, let us have
he is
Brian.
sitting one red and then
Okay, Brian. Brian, listen to teacher. Brian, listen to teacher.
he
Okay,
is sitting one
where's the boy?
white ball.
Yes, Brian. Where's the boy?
He is sitting one red and die.
Okay, again, Brian, listen to teacher. Listen. His.
He is sitting
He's sitting.
red
He's sitting. He's
on die.
sitting. Brian, you're not listening to teacher. You say his, his, his,
He is
his.
he is sitting one red and fly and die.
Okay. Hello, mommy. Please do not teach Brian. I will be the one to teach Brian. Okay. So,
I
mommy,
is sitting
just
one
listen because
red
Brian will be confused.
inside.
Okay. Again, Brian, listen to teacher. His, 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 his sitting. He's sitting on.
He is sitting on a red and die.
Okay, Brian, do not say he is. He is because that is his, 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 his.
He
Okay, so you read that one as his, his, his. He's
is
sitting on a red armchair. Okay.
he is sitting on a red and die.
Okay, that's good, Brian. That's a good try. Okay, so now let's go to the next. All right. Okay, where's the girl? Where's the girl? Where is the girl? Where is the girl? She's, okay, follow teacher, follow. She's on the mat. She's on the mat. She's on the mat.
She on the mat.
She's on the mat. She's on the mat. She's on the mat. She's on the mat. She's on the mat. She's on the mat.
She on
Đây là con gái.
She's on the mat.
man.
Okay, so let's practice. Okay, let's practice. Let's have Mary. Mary, where is the girl? Where is the girl, Mary? Mary, where is the girl? Okay, let's have Brian. Brian, where's the girl? Brian. 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 Your name is Brian. Brian, where is the girl? Brian, where is the girl? Brian, where is the girl? She's on the mat. Okay, let's have Peter. Peter, where's the girl? Where's the girl?
She on the mat.
Okay, she's on the mat. Okay, next. Let's have Lisa. Lisa, where's the girl? Where's the girl?
She on the mat.
Okay, she's. Lisa, you say she's. She's on the mat.
She's on the mat.
She's on the mat. Okay,
She's
everybody.
on the
Again,
mat.
she's on the mat. Okay, next. Okay, what is the color of the lamp? What is the color of the lamp? Yes. What is the color of the lamp? Where is the lamp? This is the lamp. Where is the lamp? This is the lamp. Okay. What is the color of the lamp? Okay, let's say it's yellow, it's white, yellow, and purple. It's white, yellow, and purple.
Yellow and purple.
Okay, everybody say it's white, yellow, purple.
Purple.
Okay, one more time, Mary. What's the color of the lamp? It's white, yellow, and purple. Okay. Next, Brian. What is the color of Brian?
Yellow, white, and purple.
Okay, very good, Brian. Let's have Peter. Peter, what's the color of the lamp? It's white.
It's white, yellow,
And
blue.
and purple. Okay, how about Lisa? What's the color of the lamp, Lisa?
It's white, yellow, and purple.
Okay, very good. So this time, since we are running out of time, so our time is up. Okay, so we will continue our lesson next time. So thank you so much, Mary, Brian, Peter, and Lisa. See you next time. See you next class. So don't forget to review, okay? Review and practice speaking. Okay? Bye-bye.
Bye bye.